Don't try this at home. We're not professionals.
Not by any means, but hopefully you can learn from our mistakes.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the next episode of House Renovations. And as always, here's Jasper.
Ep.7.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to House Renovations Chapter 2, Episode 7. Today, we're going to get into the shingling, all right, and a little bit more. Possibly get into the caulking, not quite sure yet, but we got our caffeine, fire's about ready to get started. I will see you guys when we get to the work. Nothing like a nice warm fire on a chilly fall day to get yourself started and ready for the day. Let's get to work. Got the fire started and someone showed up early. Again, day 3. I don't get it. I don't get it. Maybe I docked his pay too much?
So, originally, I had meant to record a video of us setting the run lines for the shingles, but I couldn't find the remote for the camera, but comes to find out it was in my pocket. Let me show you the accidental pictures I took. Alright, let's get started with that first run. Well, you're going to see the old man here solo in a moment, but that's because I had a little side project going on while he was doing the first run. Let me show you. Guys, see that rough edge right there? Yeah, that won't do. So we decided to trim up the rough edges so we can have a nice even plane to line up our shingles on our run line. And right there is that nice clean edge. Makes it so much easier.
Alright guys, first run is down. Next up, more shingling.
I forgot to film run number 2, but here's run number 3. You guys are going to keep seeing me walk on screen and off screen. That's because I had to keep trimming shingles so we could fit it on the run. My apologies for not getting the beginning of the 4th run, but you guys get to see me do the finesse work underneath the window. Now you guys are going to see a lot of me walking off screen. Again, I had to trim pieces so they'd fit.
Alright guys, and that's all the time we have for today. Unfortunately, we don't have enough daylight to film us getting the rest of the shingling on, but we've got 4 runs going so far, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow for part 8 when we start painting. Catch you later.